Welcome to a journey through the architectural and spiritual wonders of the world. Today we'll take you to 10 breathtaking mosques that showcase the beauty of Islamic heritage, history, and culture. We begin with Al-Haram Mosque in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, the largest mosque in the world and the most sacred site for Muslims. Built around the Kaaba, it can accommodate over 4 million worshippers during Hajj, making it a true marvel of devotion and design. Next, we visit Al-Masjid an-Nabawi, or the Prophet's Mosque, in Medina. It's the resting place of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the second holiest site in Islam. The iconic green dome marks the heart of this majestic structure. Third on our list is Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem, a place of immense spiritual significance. Known as the site of Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, night journey, it holds a sacred place in Islamic history and culture. The Hassan Mosque in Casablanca, Morocco, stands proudly with its towering 210-meter minaret, the tallest in the world. Its retractable roof and oceanfront location make it a masterpiece of modern Islamic architecture. In Brunei, the Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque dazzles with its golden domes and marble minarets. Built on an artificial lagoon, it blends Mughal and Italian architectural styles seamlessly. The Zahir Mosque in Malaysia is a symbol of Islamic faith and beauty. Built in 1912, its 5 domes represent the pillars of Islam, making it one of the most revered mosques in the region. Pakistan's Faisal Mosque, with its unique tent-like design, stands as a symbol of Islamic unity. Once the largest mosque in the world, it remains an architectural marvel in South Asia. India's Taj-ul-Masajid, or Crown of Mosques, impresses with its Mughal-inspired design. Its massive domes and intricate details reflect a rich cultural heritage. The Badshahi Mosque in Lahore is a masterpiece of Mughal grandeur. Built in the 17th century, it's one of Pakistan's most iconic landmarks and can host over 100,000 worshippers. Lastly, the Sultan Mosque in Singapore stands as a national monument. Renowned for its golden domes and rich history, it's a beacon of Islamic culture in Southeast Asia. These mosques are not just places of worship, but also architectural treasures that tell stories of faith, history, and unity. Which one would you like to visit? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing journeys around the world. See you in the next video.